The spring season is approaching. Depending on where you're located, mid-March is about the time to begin mowing your St. Augustine lawn again. Make sure the last freeze of the winter is over. Keep your St. Augustine at a height of 2 to 4 inches for optimum performance. However, these heights slightly vary for different cultivars of St. Augustine. For instance, Palmetto should be maintained at a height of 1.5 to 2.5 inches, whereas Citra Blue should be kept at a height of 2 to 3 inches during the spring. It's important to never remove more than a third of the leaf blade at any time. For more information on mowing heights, visit our series of homeowner maintenance guides on Palmetto and Citra Blue St. Augustine. If you have a different kind of St. Augustine, refer to our generic St. Augustine maintenance guide. We've provided links to each guide in the video's description on YouTube. This video is also a part of our spring maintenance series that's full of other tips like irrigation practices, weed control, and more for St. Augustine lawns.